Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React Redux Toolkit. So today we are going to learn about the CRUD operations with the help of the React Redux Toolkit. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So here we have the note taking app. So we have a test 1, test 2, okay, test 3. Okay, so this one we have done with the combining reducers. Okay, so we can delete that test. If I want to edit this one, delete that one, delete. So this is how we are able to do the CRUD operations. Let's see how we are do that. But hey, this video we have done with the combining the reducers. Okay, so let's see the code level. So this is the structure part. Okay, so we have a feature and the notes, okay, which we have already know that part. Okay, those who have following my video, they come to know about that the structure part. Okay, then we have a feature notes, add note, note list and the note slides. Okay, then we have the root reducer. So in the root reducers you can see that we have using the combined reducers we have discussed in the previous video, but I haven't show you with the code, but here it is. So here we are combined reducers. Okay, so if I hover that one, you can mention here, you can say turns an object whose values are different from the reducer functions into a single reducer function. It will call every child reducer and gather the results into the single state object whose keys correspond to the keys passed reducers functions. Okay, so here you can see that we have a combined reducers, so we have a nodes reducers. Okay, so whatever reducers coming out in the later sections, you can just add it over here and pass it over here and then export that one in the store.js file. So here you can see that we have import the root reducer. Okay, and here we are mentioning the root reducer. Okay, so this is how we are combining the reducers. Okay, so let's move to, this is the combining part. Then we have add node js. This is basically for the same thing that we have the to do part. So handle add node. Okay, so whenever we click on that button handle add node, right, so it will just dispatch that add node. What is doing the add node? Here you can see that just pushing the state. Okay, so you are just pushing the state part. Okay, when we have a edit node, okay, so it will do that edit part. Then we have a delete, then just filtering out the data. Okay, then after that we have export both the things. Okay, this is the slice name and this is initial state of that, and we have a reducers. Okay, then we have a note list. So we are showing the list of that one. We are just mapping the note list. Okay, and then we have an input. So here we have the input section whenever we adding anything. So we have an input and then we have a delete button. Okay, so whenever we have a delete note, so it will go to our slice and you can check that one. The here we have a returning the filtering out the state whatever the id is related. Okay, then here we have a note list, so we are using the node slices, delete node or edit node. Okay, so on change dispatch edit node. So here listing part is here. Okay, then we have a delete section, right? Okay, so here we have, then we have a node slice we have already discussed, and then add node we have already discussed that part. Okay, and store.js we have already discussed, combining the reducers already discussed. Then we have a app.js file where we have calling the things. We have a add node and the node list. Okay, this is the thing. Okay, we have provided, then we have a store, we have a add node list. So this is how the full-fledged code works. So this is how you can make the CRUD operations like this. So add, edit, delete and update. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.